Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I do Senegalese twist. I first started out by sectioning my hair, which made it so much easier to do as I went along. And these are what I'm going to be using to achieve this look. I'm using the Expressions pre-stretched in the color 2. And I'm also using Shine and Jam, helps to keep the hair flat. Then I'm going to use a rat tail comb as well as some clips and a brush and some mousse. Okay, so I already went ahead and did the entire back of my hair. It was really hard to see, so you'll notice that the parts aren't as straight in the back as they are in the front. But here I'm using some castor oil, and I'm just gonna rub some throughout the whole length of my hair, and then I'm gonna use my Shine and Jam and also rub that along the length of my hair to make sure that everything stays flat and in the twist. And then I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit and show you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing. So it's kind of really hard to explain, but it's very simple. I'm gonna try my best to explain so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and split the section that I'm working on in two, as you can see right there. And then I'm going to grab it. I don't know how to explain that. So I'm gonna lay the hair horizontally on my roots, and each section I'm gonna just twist it the opposite direction. So one of the sides I'm twisting counterclockwise, and the other side I'm twisting clockwise. So twist them the opposite directions, in other words. And then you're just going to twist it together as I'm doing right there. While you're going down each twist, you're just gonna twist it. Keep twisting it in the same direction as you started, as you go all the way down. We're just gonna try explaining again. So split the section in two, and I slowed it down so that you guys can see. So I'm wrapping the right side that I split counterclockwise and the left side clockwise. And then once that is done, you do it as tight as you can and as close to the root as possible. That way the twist stays nice and tight. And then I'm just going to wrap them around while continuing to twist as I go down in the same exact direction as I started.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!